Uncover the perfect combination of elegance and functionality with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This marvelous 1400 by 700 mm enclosure is a testament to thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and being greeted by the sleek chrome finish of this stunning shower enclosure. The frameless side panel and 6 mm thick safety glass create a light, spacious feel that will transform your showering space into a luxurious retreat. Appreciate how the sliding door saves precious bathroom space, eliminating the need for outward swinging doors. This cleaver design ensures easy, convenient access while keeping water neatly contained within the enclosure. The versatile corner placement makes this enclosure ideal for various bathroom layouts. Indulge in the simple pleasure of a well-designed shower space with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. It's more than just a shower, it's an investment in your daily comfort and well-being. Treat yourself to this beautiful addition to your home today. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.